Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're going to master a key AI skill, constraint.
Okay, let's start with a frustration I'm pretty sure you've faced before. You want something specific, but the AI gives you this long, kind of useless response.
This tendency for AI to just ramble, well, it's got a name, and thankfully, a solution.
That solution is constraint. Think of it as the steering wheel and brakes for your AI. Let's break it down. There are basically 3 control knobs you can use to get precise results. First up, length. You can literally control the volume, from characters to sentences.
Second, format. You get to dictate the exact structure, like a table or even JSON code. And third, style. This is how you control the whole vibe, telling it what language to use or avoid. And that brings us to a really crucial technique, the golden rule of negative prompting.
For example, just telling it no code comments can save you from scrolling through tons of fluff.
What's really cool is seeing the before and after. It's pretty dramatic. On the left, a generic prompt gives you a 2-page wall of text. We've all seen this.
On the right, though, a few simple constraints give you a perfect, concise result. Much better.
Okay, so let's put your new skills to the test with a quick little challenge.
Your goal is to avoid those cringy, generic hashtags, like hashtag innovation. You know the ones.
Which of these constraints would you pick to get a way better result? Go ahead and pause here, think about it, and maybe try writing your own prompt.
And here's the crucial point. Using constraints is what elevates the AI from a chatbot to a tool. And just like that, you've now graduated from the first part of the RCTC framework. But knowing the framework, well, that's really only the first step on your journey.
In our next explainer, we're going to move into phase 2, using AI for text to design. See you then?